dead!
Pussy nigga, you must forgot. It's Shaizzle, bitch.
Believe it!
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back today with another video. And as I tell from the title of this video, we are going to do a cooking with Christian video. Now, some of y'all don't know this, but Christian is actually a really good cook. I didn't really teach him. He self-taught. So, I'm going to show y'all who be cooking. Ooh, my red receipt's on. So, like I was saying, we are going to watch Christian cook, y'all. And if y'all want to see more cooking with Christian videos, y'all literally gonna have to let me know, because Christian ain't gonna go for it if y'all don't tell him to do it. So, Christian, look at that. He broke that. He broke everything.
Huh?
What you finna cook?
Hamburgers
And
what?
fries. Hamburgers and fries. Okay, so Christian is about to cook. You got everything set up?
No.
Oh, let's go to the kitchen. We in his room right now. Hold on. Close this back.
I wash my hands.
I would hope so. Don't be digging in your ass and trying to feed me. But yeah, y'all. So, in this house, we have an agreement. I work and pay the bills and do all the boring adult shit. And Christian cleans and cooks. So, ladies, once again, give him a few years. We're gonna have a bachelor on our hands. We're gonna have a real man, okay? Real man cooking clean. Period.
What?
So, I'm gonna leave the camera with Christian because
No!
I'm gonna come back in and stuff. I just gotta go do some stuff and then do some more stuff. I'm checking in.
Leave me alone.
You just gotta show them what you're doing. You feel me? You gotta whip it up so they know how to do this at home. You gotta walk them through everything, like what you putting the stove on.
I'm putting the stove on high 6.
Did you spray the bottom of the pan?
You said that.
Just want to spray it just in case it sticks. But yeah, so I gotta go do a few things, reply to a few emails.
No, you don't.
I really do.
You finna watch them.
But I gotta go do some other stuff. I'm gonna be right back.
First, you gotta wash your hands, but I already did that. Hold on. I already did that, so next, you gotta wash the hamburgers so it's not frozen. You keep it in your freezer. So now you're done washing it. Now you put it on the stove. Do the same thing.
You should film the YouTube video right now, y'all. Picking it up. Period. Cool. I like it. I'm so proud of you.
My day, it was alright. You know, the second day of middle school, you know, my class not that lame, you know. We all hate this one teacher. Yeah. Look, I got 7 teachers. I went to the little gym where everybody be going. It was full of people. Then anxiety came, I had to walk out. Then I went to the lunchroom. I would never eat the food there. Probably only the oranges, but I'm not even gonna drink the stuff. And, oh look, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to flip. Hold on, where the flippy thing at? I'm SpongeBob, the black kind. Oh, John, it came out good. Wait, why am I acting like I'm surprised? Whatever. What I was talking about? Oh yeah, I'm never gonna eat the food there. So, oh yeah, I got friends there. You know, I got my homeboys, my homegirls, you know, all that. You know, like my homeboys, 2 of them in the same class. And I'm supposed to talk to to one of my friends tomorrow because I didn't talk to one of them today. Man, nothing really going on in middle school. It's just my second day. You know, then, you know, it was alright. I ain't like this one girl cause, let me not speak too much. Always get this, oh man, it's upside down. Always get this. When you go to Walmart or whatever, just always get that. It's the best ever. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna fix the burgers too. Don't judge me because I'm new at this. Oh, let me tell y'all this. Right, me and my friends, we gonna make a restaurant when we get like older. It's gonna be like, it's not gonna be like McDonald's. It's gonna be like a real life restaurant, but not no fancy stuff. Best. Y'all not gonna steal mine though. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I just be like, like the main YouTubers I be watching, like my sister Shaizzle, subscribe them, like, and turn on that notification bell. If you don't, never mind. That's gonna probably get dislikes. You know, my favorite, like the other YouTubers I watch, you know, Noah made SMK. You need to go check that out, bro. They be making some lit videos. Then, you know, everybody watch Frank Mike. Everybody watch CJ So Cool. I just like Miami the Kid. Like some of them, like they just be on my recommend on my TV. But always leave a like on my sister video so she can be at the top. If you don't like it up or subscribe or get like, share it to your friends. You don't care about me or my sister. And not no clout chasing. Like, like y'all not trying to wish better to me. Like, you know, I know like whole lot of people need to hear this. It's not named on my hit list. Master say they want to. Don't ever do that. Wrong with you. People don't want to see that. I'm not gonna let nobody see that. Sorry. Who's gonna never gonna do that around me. I'm gone. I'm gonna be back. I got like a few more emails to do. So you need the chop? Okay. But what was I talking about? Oh yeah. These hamburgers gonna be good. I ain't even cooked the fries. They gonna be a longer video. Let me put this back. Hold on, one more scoop. Hey, I ain't know nothing about this cookie and cream stuff. No, I'ma shout her out. two. Wait, is there 2 or 3? Probably 3. Like Nicole, Ariana, and Toriana. They put me on this cookie and cream stuff, bro. They put me on though, no copy. Best ice cream I ever had. But what? I like the new house. Let me start eating y'all face. But man, hold on, I gotta think of something else to talk about. I need to think of something else to talk about. Oh yeah, I was talking about my favorite YouTuber. Well, not favorite, like the main one I be watching. Like, but for real, go check out Noah May SMP. I got popped in the neck. I'm dead. Bro, look, that was almost a fight in my first day of school in my class. I need some water for the ice cream. But this the best water ever. What I'm saying, it's the best water ever. All water is good, but this water is the best. Five times. Hopefully she speeds this up. Hey, y'all know that one photo on Instagram? Like, oh yeah, talking about Instagram. Go follow my sister on Instagram. I think it's x.Shaizzle. If you don't know how to spell Shaizzle, SHAIZZLE. Shaizzle. Really? I don't know who gave her that good name, but who gave her that nickname, but it's a good nickname. It got her. Wait, she probably gave that her nickname herself. I'm tripping, but you know, speed this up. I don't want to talk. I thought these was fries, dog. Well, curly fries not that bad. But still, dang, I want a fry, dog. I'm about to go sweep outside because it's sweet. I say sweet. Oh, because it's stormed last night or night before, whatever, and it's like leaves and stuff everywhere. So I'm about to go sweep real quick. Be right back. You ain't got the dustpan. Cause I'm sweeping it off the balcony. Thank you for helping. You put the fries in the oven or they already in the oven? They in the oven. I forgot to cook them. And I put the wrong fries, so we're going to be having curly fries. That's fine. Okay. 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 Okay.
I'm your height, man. Come on, keep on, come on. Ay, do not walk. Ay. Wait. Ay, she did that. Oh, you did that. Hold on. Oh, you did that. Wait. Oh, the cleanest wall I ever seen.
Just hit us on the wall.
Light work.
You're so silly. I don't know why you saying watch it, but whatever.
You told me to. I don't want to sit here. This can't stand up. I only told you to sit there for one reason. My YouTube video.
Wow.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
You know, your boy love anime, you know? So all I be watching is anime. Ooh, let me not do that again. Ooh, cut that out. Yeah, I be watching anime. I already done with Naruto. You know, the people that watch my sister videos. If you watch like anime and stuff, like if you a big anime fan, not like watch like 1 or 2 animes, you know, like they got some good anime shows on Netflix, but they got like all the animes on Hulu, bro. That's why I said y'all need to get Hulu. And I'm trying to get, matter of fact, I'm gonna get, who that? I'm off for the save. I'm gonna download Kissa anime on my TV when this video done. This video probably gonna be an hour, Shane. You not gonna have to show this whole video.
Alright, so let me go ahead and start fixing my plate. Got 1 minute on the fries, you hear me?
They curly fries. I'll fix your plate, bro. You can fix your plate.
Empty plate.
No, you can fix your plate. No, I gotta flip the hamburgers.
You got 12 seconds? Damn.
Fix your own hamburgers. Fix your own hamburgers. What else I can cook? That's all. I'm gonna learn how to cook something else though. Just watch me and learn. Oh, God, they looking good. Watch out. Man, if you already know who don't got this. I know your grandma, your auntie, your grandpa, your mama, your dad, your sister, your brother, even your dog. They ought to have this. Even your cat. Even your mouse. I don't even know. Whatever you got. Alright, that's enough. Cause I learned last time to put. When you do mine like that, I want it like that. Okay. You can't eat yours now? What you mean? No, I gotta keep on cooking.
Okay, well let me know when you're gonna eat.
Out there. Hold up. Trying like that lettuce. And I don't know why.
I love it.
But we got shredded lettuce.
That's a salad, fool.
Man, still, who gonna make a salad?
You like salads.
I only ate a salad once. It wasn't even that good. But I still eat it for the health. Ay. Dang, that's a lot of ketchup. Hello,
Don't we already have a
Put your mustard on that, cause you pussy.
don't we already got a mustard that's open?
Well, you did put mustard on bliss. Oh,
Thought we already had mustard. I mean, I didn't know we had mustard.
oh wow. You ain't even. Ooh, yogurt.
Seeing how you got the yogurt, you knew we had yogurt.
Yogurt.
Then you got that big old thing of yogurt.
Yeah. Why you eat yogurt too, right? Then why you put it on the list?
Cause you like yogurt.
Looking out for the squad. You want some juice or some cranberry? Cause that's good for your lungs. Or you just want some water. Or you want Coke.
I think I'm gonna drink his Coke because he's on the way here and I want him to know that I've been drinking his stuff.
You heard that?
That was me, fool. You so paranoid.
What paranoid means?
Crazy.
I'm not crazy.
You just on alert is what it means.
Oh yeah, cause you know I'm on alert with that talking.
Okay, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Basically, this is how the burgers came out. I already know they finna smash, dash, mash, glass. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and eat. We're gonna go ahead and end the video. Christian, thank you so much for giving us your time today and doing this video for us. Will you do more with us?
I'll think about it.
He will think about it. But other than that, y'all, thank you so much for watching. But other than that, you guys, your girl, and Christian, your girl. Who else is your girl but me? And my little brother, Christian W.C. Smith. Your girl, Shay, is out. Bye, guys.
I'm not gonna touch this, you touch it.
Little they know I bleed this shit from the beat to the flow. From kicking in doors to dealing with hoes. From trapping out the bed to hanging with the bros to pouring up foes. If y'all ain't know I so dope, so cold in the lie. Cause these niggas took me as a joke. She just a little kid, she ain't saying shit we ain't already know. Talking about making it, but she just faking it. Talk about money, bitch, know I be making it. Spin shit, yeah, I be creating the world, I'm facing it. Story, I'm telling it, hoes can't relate to the truth, you escaping it. But I'm remaking my heart, be taking it. But I'm replacing the gas, I be smoking the blunts, I be rolling the clips out the gun. But you know I'm reloading.